Boating your way through the water doesn't have to be difficult as long as you adhere to some basic safety rules and understand the right of way. Boating requires a certain level of responsibility by every operator, and safety is of the utmost importance, as well as following state and federal boating rules. Here are some basics. When two power boats are meeting head-on, steer the boat to starboard or to the right. If you come upon a sailboat under sail, let them have the right of way and turn to starboard if traveling head-on, or turn away if crossing their path. Do everything possible to avoid a collision and maintain safe speeds at all times. Buoys and markers help direct traffic when on the water. Always keep red markers on your left or port side when leaving the marina, and then remember that the red markers will be on your right when returning. Red right returning, as they say. Green markers will be on the opposite side. Learn more about boating navigation rules and markers at takemefishing.org.